Ever wondered what makes your glassware so clear and your ceramic tiles so strong? The secret might just lie in a humble mineral called feldspar. Yes, that's right. It's one of the most abundant minerals on Earth, but it doesn't start out ready for use. That's where the magic of the feldspar grinding mill comes into play. This incredible machine transforms raw coarse feldspar into a fine uniform powder. Think of it as taking rough rocks and turning them into superfine, almost flour-like consistency. Why does that matter so much for glass and ceramic manufacturing? Let me break it down for you. In glassmaking, feldspar acts as a flux. That means it lowers the melting temperature of the mix. This saves a ton of energy and makes the whole process much more efficient and cost-effective. Plus, it adds alumina to the glass, which improves its durability, toughness, and chemical resistance. So the next time you hold a sturdy glass bottle, you can thank finely ground feldspar. Now, for ceramics, feldspar is just as crucial. It's a key ingredient in the body, or the clay mix. When fired in the kiln, the feldspar melts and helps bind the other particles together. This vitrification process gives ceramics their strength, density, and that beautiful non-porous finish. Without it, your favorite porcelain mug or bathroom tile might be brittle and weak. But here's the catch. To get these benefits, the feldspar needs to be ground to a very specific fineness. Too coarse and it won't melt properly. Too fine and it might cause other issues in the mix. That's why a high-quality grinding mill is non-negotiable in this industry. Modern mills are engineering marvels. They use advanced crushing and grinding mechanisms. They can precisely control the particle size, ensuring every batch is perfectly consistent. This consistency is vital for manufacturers who need predictable results every single time. It means fewer defects, higher quality products, and ultimately happier customers. Beyond just grinding, these mills are designed for efficiency and sustainability. They often feature dust collection systems to keep the workplace safe and clean. And they're built to last with minimal maintenance, keeping production lines running smoothly. So the next time you sip from a glass or admire a ceramic sculpture, take a moment to appreciate it. Behind that simple object is a journey from raw earth, transformed by technology like the Feldspar Mill. It's a perfect example of how ancient materials and modern innovation come together. They create the everyday essentials and beautiful items we often take for granted. From your smartphone screen to your kitchen backsplash, feldspar is quietly making it all possible. Thanks to the precision grinding mill, this versatile mineral gets to shine in its finest form, powering industries and adding strength and clarity to the world around us, one grind at a time.